sir. Today I'd like to share our two model waterproof zipper with you. Now from the surface, can you see what's the difference? Maybe you find the difference already. This surface is more rough, not like this one. It looks smooth and looks very soft, comfortable, like your finger touch the leather. The feeling is like that, okay? But this one is a little rougher. And we call this one as a TPU waterproof zipper, and this one as the PU waterproof zipper. For the price, this one is more expensive than this one. I mean, PU is more the price is more high, and this one is cheaper than the PU. So which model do you like? You can send email to us. Thank you.